my name is Abdul Rahman and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about Chat GPT, like what it is, how it works, why it's used, etc. So nowadays Chat GPT is very much trending and it has more than a million users within the 5 days of its launch. So Chat GPT, Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, it's the name, but we are calling it Chat GPT, is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It's built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 family of large language model, and it's fine-tuned with both supervised learning and reinforced learning techniques. So it's pre-trained already. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to learn that how to log in, sign up, and I'm going to show you some of the examples of how to use Chat GPT. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for using Chat GPT, we have to open up our browser. So whatever the browser you have opened it, so here I have Brave and I have opened it. Now here it's going to be the type of website that we have typed. So it is created by the OpenAI, as I said you. So we can type openai.com, but it's going to open the OpenAI website. Now we want to use the Chat GPT. Let's type in chat.openai.com, or we can just type Chat GPT. Now let's click on this link, the first that you are getting, and then you are going to get all of these examples like how the Chat GPT works. Now here we can use the Chat GPT, right? So let's click on the try Chat GPT. Before using it, we have to do some of the things like sign up, log in, etc. Now for that, after clicking on the try GPT, then you are going to get a page where you have to enter our email address and password. Okay, and then you have to enter your phone number after that, after clicking next, and then it's going to send an SMS on our phone number, and then it's going to verify that. So I have done that. So now it's going to open like this page after doing that. So if you want, we can log out also. Later on we can log in. Now here it is only giving us examples that what are the things, some examples that we can search here, like explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday, or how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? So the good thing, the an interesting fact about this Chat GPT I like about is writing Python programs or any programs. So with this you can get a C language, programming language, or with this you can get a code for the Python. So let's test it. So let's start with the hey, and then now I'm going to type what is Chat GPT. Now I'm going to run it and it's getting GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of language model developed by the OpenAI. Now here I can type a lot of things, like if I type best YouTuber for learning machine learning on YouTube. Let's type it and we are going to get, there are many great YouTubers who cover machine learning topics. Here are the few might find helpful. The first one is 3 Blue 1 Brown, Siddharth Raval. The channel features a wide range of machine learning. Okay, data school. So we have all of these channels. So here I have given just for testing. Now after this, here after working this, while it's typing all of this, you don't have to type or enter it because it's going to be stuck for some time. Now here what I have to do is we have to type for the Python program. So for doing that, I am going to type that write a Python program to print hello world. Okay, now it's going to, when it to print string hello world in Python, you can use the following code. Here we are getting, here is the full program. Okay, here also we are getting it same thing, but now the main thing I found in this, while generating the program, it's giving us the command lines like print hello world to the console. Now to print, we can check this, and the main thing is it's not copying anything from the Google or any website. It is just generating, and it is pre-trained, as its name is Chat GPT, Generative Pre-trained pre-training transformer. So here what the OpenAI does done is they have collected a lot of information and then created this chat gpt. Okay, so they have trained the chat gpt to answer our questions. Okay, now here let's type something like write a python program which will calculate our age. Write write a python program to calculate age. So write a Python program to calculate age, and then to calculate age in Python you can use the following steps. Import date time, and so the main thing I liked one more thing is tested this code, so you can also copy this code. So with Chat GPT you can do a million different things. So here we can create our resume, we can create our CV for our jobs, and we will get a lot of things. Now if I type like write write a Python program to send emails, write a Python program to send emails to a, okay, so write a Python program to send emails. Let's type it here. So it's going to print the whole code. To send emails using Python, you can use the SMT lib, and it's showing us the steps, and then it's showing the whole code. Now the fact here is that I have used this code previously before the Chat GPT is launched. So for doing some project, I have done this project from where I got this code. So I wanted to test this, and then I got it. But then today I got the idea of entering the same prompt on the Chat GPT, and then it's working. So I have tested that with my code also. Though these two codes are same, but there is a small difference. Now I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Now the one thing about this is we have one con about, and that is we can't enter a lot of things like at a time. Okay, for example, at a 1 hour. So yesterday what happened is I have entered a lot of queries, and then for it has after some time when I entered a query, it said that lot of queries in 1 hour, something like that, and then it is not done. Okay, now here we can write a Python program to use this one. Now let's type some more queries. Okay, now let's close it. Will Chat GPT replace replace dogs in the future? So I have written here the mistake. So spelling mistake, F-U-T-U-T-R-E is the spelling. Now it's possible that the chatbots like GPT for generative and other artificial intelligence should automate certain tasks and potentially replace some jobs in the future. So here it's showing me each and everything in the detail. So I can seek for any some of the nodes. Now how to calculate, so let's type how to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 4, 4 plus 7 into 8 into 54 into or divided by, let's divide it by the 10 and enter this, and I'm going to calculate the expression, and it's giving here you can use the following steps. Calculate the product of, and it's showing me, it's also going to show me the results I think, but it's the result expression is 9.5. Now here it's showing me that result is equal to into print the result, and then it's also sharing us the code, and it's also showing us the steps that how to do this. Now you can type a different things. Now if I give here please subscribe to, and I'm going to give the YouTube link, my YouTube link, and that is this one. Now I'm going to copy this YouTube link, and then I'm going to paste it and run it, and let's see the output. So it's saying that I am sorry, but I am artificial intelligence and do not have ability to subscribe YouTube channels. However, I can recommend checking out the YouTube channel and subscribing if you find the content to be interesting and helpful. So it's saying that it is also not able to subscribe. So there are some things that Chat GPT can't do on the web browser. So it's not connected with the browser, but it's opening through the web browser. So there is a difference. So it's not using the web browser, but it's opening through the web browser. Okay. Now here, if I type, please, can you scrap, and let's type in here something like my YouTube channel, and I'm going to copy it again. Please can you scrap this URL. Okay, I'm running it and let's check whether, and it's again, I'm sorry, but I'm unable to scrap websites or interact with the internet in the way I am. I'm just a language model that to have the access to browsing or scrapping capabilities. Is there anything else I can help with? Okay, now here we can create an age calculator that we have created. Now here we can create a new chats, like for example, if you want to type something like some resume or whatever it is, and then you wanted to save it here, then we can create a new chart, and then you can type here whatever you want, and then here we have, from the time whatever we have typed here is saved here. If I open this again, then all of the things are same. Now if I click on the clear confirm clear conversions, okay, now it's working with the Python program, and then it's also going to write the machine learning projects. So let's check for the detection project. So up to this point, I have done around some of the 5 to 6 projects of machine learning, right? Now let's type, write a Python program to detect the face of a human. Again, let's type it, and then here's example of how to detect face using OpenAI library. So it is generating, guys. It's not copying anything from the Google, and it's showing me the hair cascade, frontal face, default XML. And here what I have given is just write a program to detect the face of a human. Now it's showing that you can do that with the OpenCV library, and it's typing all of the code. Now I have tested this code and everything is working fine here. And the file contains the trained parameters for detecting the faces. And here what he's showing is hair cascade, frontal face, default.xml. And here in the bottom it's also giving us the link for downloading the hair cascade file. If I open it, it's going to open from here. So anyhow guys, that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video of the Chat GPT. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and then use the Chat GPT how much as you can. And with Chat GPT we can do a million different things, like we can create our resume, we can create our CVs and do all of the stuff. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.